The COVID pandemic is a part of worldwide pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019. The first case was originated in China. In a healthy body, hair-like cilia lining the tubes constantly push the mucus and germs out of your airways where you may expel them by coughing. Normally, cells of your immune system attack virus and send germs that make it past your mucus and cilia and enter your alveoli. However, if your immune system is weakened, like in the case of coronavirus infection, the virus can overwhelm your immune cells and your bronchioles and alveoli become inflamed. Your immune system attacks the multiplying viruses. The inflammation can cause your alveoli to fill with fluid, making it difficult for your body to get the oxygen it needs. Come, let's see the symptoms of coronavirus.
Vomiting. Patient might experience a variety of symptoms including gastric problems such as vomiting. Hospitalized patients may also develop such symptoms. 4% of the COVID patients experience vomiting. Second is diarrhea. Diarrhea is usually caused by a virus. In India, diarrhea has been recorded only in few COVID patients, but it does not seem to be a predominant symptom.
Maintaining physical and mental health during pandemic is very important to fight the coronavirus. Precautions to be taken before going out.
Wear mask. Not only mask, double mask. Use sanitizer and wash your hands. So friends have reached the shop now. So first thing, use sanitizer. Maintain social distancing and get the shopping done. After shopping, again use sanitizer.
Use your mask, maintain social distancing, use sanitizer, please cooperate.
So friends, let's all follow the small steps to make the country COVID-free India, because small things can make big differences.
Vaccination awareness. Why one have to take vaccines?
Is vaccines are safe. Second point is vaccines preventable diseases have not gone away. Third point is vaccines will help keep you healthy. Fourth is vaccines are as important to your overall health as diet and exercise. Last but not least, fifth one is vaccination can mean the difference between life and death. Thank you.
First one, vaccine will not cause disease. It prevents from the disease. So get vaccinated. Second one, young and healthy people can get very sick too. Because of the serious infections and the complications, vaccine is the best solution. So take the vaccine. Third one, vaccine preventable diseases are expensive. So the government is giving vaccine at a free of cost, except the Sputnik vaccine. Fourth one, when you get sick, your child, your grandchildren and your parents get sick too. So for safer side, get vaccinated. Your family and co-worker needs you. So please take the vaccination. Please stay healthy.
Before vaccination, we have some crucial tips for you as you await your turn to be vaccinated.
First is learn some facts. Two pharmaceutical companies brought their vaccines to the Indian markets. Serum Institute of India launched Covishield and Bharat Biotech introduced Covaxin. The important brand Sputnik V recently received approval for the use in India. For more information, do the following. Talk to your family doctors regarding your vaccinations. You may also visit the genuine websites such as WHO. to know about the types of vaccines and their mechanisms. Next is eligibility for the vaccine. According to the current vaccination status in India, anybody above the age of 18 can get vaccinated from the 1st of May 2021.
Tips to be followed before vaccination.
Where are you going?
I'm going to take an COVID vaccination.
Had your lunch?
Not
In an empty stomach, do not take vaccine before you are taking. Eat well and drink plenty of water.
The next step to be followed is avoid excess alcohol intake as it may dehydrate you. Inform people at work regarding your unavailability and plan your task accordingly so that you are not stressed as you visit vaccination center.
Tips to be followed after vaccination.
Due to the first dose of vaccination, many people are getting headache, fever, fatigue and body pain. So in order to avoid these side effects, you need to drink plenty of water and consume a nutritious food and stay healthy. And also avoid consuming alcohol or smoking as it lowers the antibody response to the several vaccines. So make sure your body is well hydrated before and after vaccinations.
After COVID vaccination, if there is a pain on your arms, so the precautions should be taken to relieve from the pain. Keep cool or wet cloths on your affected area. Actually, I am using this type of cloth only for video purpose. You can use any wet cloths. So keep it for a few minutes. So next, swing your arms. So now you can find the relief from the pain.
If you have any coronavirus symptoms like cold, cough, fever, take a paracetamol tablet. If they last more than a week, contact your doctor immediately. Firstly, take the first dose vaccination and download the certificate and mark on your calendar for the second dose of vaccination. Schedule an appointment.
Prepare for some minor side effects as your body builds immune protections. This may go in 1 or 2 days. The side effects are pain and redness at the site of injections, headache, chills and mild fevers,
Next
fatigue
is
and
precautions to
body
be
pain.
taken for the COVID.
The first step is wash your hands regularly. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after you have been in a public place or after blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth with unwashed hands. Hands touch many surfaces that can pick up viruses.
Practice respiratory hygiene, covering your mouth with bent elbow when you cough or sneeze, and wash the item when you bring it to the home.
Last but not the least, social distancing is must. Lastly, mask and ration kit distribution is done by our friends to the society. It is what all matters to us.
I am 97 years old. I took my first dose of vaccination on March 9th. I felt no pain or even side effects. Now my second dose is due on May 9th. I am waiting for that. Don't be afraid. Take the vaccination. It is good for you and others around you. It is safe. I continue to have a normal life.
हाथ मिलाना ना बाहर जाना घर में ही पड़े हैं बंद पैसा आना रोते दिल की यही है दास्तां कोरोना कोरोना ओ कोरोना इतना भी परेशान मत करो ना.
Let us come to a conclusion.
Remember that the vaccine is merely a prank.
Try to overcome your nervousness and anxiety while getting injected. Collect your certificate of vaccination or download from the COVID site. Although you have received both the dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, remember to take a preventive measures, especially in the public places. Remember that the vaccination does not ensure complete immunity. Continue wearing mask. Follow safe hygiene practices. For self-protection and prevent viruses transmission. Take both the dose according to the schedules and encourage other people to get vaccination. Stay safe,
Small
stay
things
strong.
make big differences. Hope this small video may help you out and make you better aware of this pandemic situation. Come, let us fight together and spread the message of hope. Thank you.